Love y'all, baby.
Kato, you way
Even
too
when I ain't
dope,
around,
kid.
I'm around. Believe that. Grab my kids and hold them tight. Let them know that it's alright. We go through a lot of pain, but that's what make us grow in life. We just gotta thank Christ so we can make it through the night. Satan tryna take my soul, these haters tryna take my life. What I tell you is the truth, I'm just giving you advice. This world will turn your heart cold, colder than a pack of ice. Keep it moving, stay precise, your gut feeling's always right. Keep it moving, stay precise, and know your gut feeling is right. People try to lead us wrong, that's a test we gotta pass. Whatever happens, let it go, even though the pain will last. Take a deep breath, slow your roll, and if you got questions, then ask. But most importantly, smile, cause every day could be your last. I know every day can be my last, yeah. Every day can be my last, yeah. So stay strong, please stay strong. Cause every day can be your last, goddamn. Never let the pressure fold you in. We can make the pipes, and I'ma bring you back the stars for all the nights we ain't had lights. And now you noticing my scars. Daddy had to earn his stripes, and that's why justice for the streets. Cause every day I had to fight. Now they noticing my music, and it's finally taking flight. How to travel through the dark so I can make your future bright. Keep your head up and keep pushing, even though this life ain't right. Gotta live it to the fullest, only get one chance at life. Hold it down and catch a girl, make sure that she is right. Cause if you say your vows, then she gotta be your wife. That's real. That's what I'ma do with your mama, nigga. Talk to me. And I know every day can be my last, yeah. Every day can be my last, yeah. So stay strong, please stay strong. Cause every day can be your last, goddamn. Just understand daddy loves y'all when I'm dead and not around. Hold your head up, baby, stand stiff and hold your ground. Everybody gotta die, that's just something you should know. Daddy ain't afraid to die, I'm scared to leave y'all here alone. Stick and stones may break our bones, never let them words fade you. No matter if you rich or broke, don't ever let that money change you. Just know you're not alone, a higher power really made us. A higher power really made us. I know. Xavier, Malachi, Arthur, I love you, boy. Xander King, Arthur, I love you, boy. No, nigga! I love this shit. I love this shit. If I'm ever in the casket, nigga, y'all always gonna have this. Let go.